Here's our periodic table, and there's two major ways of organizing or looking at these elements. One is with the columns or groups. Those are elements that have similar properties like the copper, silver, and gold. And there's also the periods or the rows on the periodic table, which have ever-changing properties in a periodic fashion. The information about the periodic table is pretty standard, but let's consider where these elements are. The alkali earth metals, the alkali metals, the noble gases, the halogens, they're elements that have similar properties, and that's why they were grouped together in the first place. The tall columns are the main group elements, of course. And then we can consider their family names like alkali metal, alkaline earth metal, transition metals, noble gases, halogens, etc., because they have similar properties. Now the periodic table would be a lot bigger than it is right now, but we don't use these too much in chemistry. Let's just keep them at the bottom. The electron configurations that we're considering in this chapter have commonalities that we want to consider. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Notice that chlorine ends in 3p5, and the bromine's electron configuration ends in 4p5. Iodine ends in 5p5. Of course, what you're seeing is that their endings are all similar. Interestingly, these elements are in a family, and they have similar chemical and physical properties. A theory like this one is used to explain observations that we see in nature, such as the fact that these have similar properties, and this theory about the electron configuration, where they go, the orbital diagrams, helps explain why that is. So what we notice is that these elements that are alkali metals or alkali earth metals all have the same ending. In the P block, they all have the same ending. In the D block, they all have the same ending. And isn't it strange that they correspond to their properties? S block, P block, and D block. Thanks for watching.